guys, welcome back to my channel. Danielle here, and today's super exciting because we have a mystery bundle. So low-key wasn't gonna film because it's kind of a gloomy day in Los Angeles today, and it's just so easy to Netflix and chill. But I literally have 4 different mystery bundles that have been sitting in my room for the longest time. So I was like, no, Danielle, we are unpacking it today, and today's small business is Stillmatic Styles on Depop. But we're just doing the usual. I want to take you through their Depop so we can see their individual listings, get an idea of what their style is like, and then check out their style bundle listing, just so that we know what is going to be included, the price, the shipping, and then how well they executed this bundle. So let's jump onto their Depop. Let me just scooch on over to the side here. And so they are Stillmatic Styles, and their very first post is the style bundle, but let's just skip that for a second. Okay, something that really drew me to their account is that their prices are so freaking reasonable, and y'all know I am a cheap girl, so I love that they have prices that are inclusive to all income levels. Totally here for that. But after that, we do have a few sweater vests, and not sure if like sweater vests are still in right now, but you guys, look at this, only $13. Pretty damn awesome. The next one over is $15. You know, it's a few dollars more, but $15 for a sweater vest is still very doable. We have a cute little vintage windbreaker here for only $10.20. And then personally for me, I think what really persuaded me to just like jump on a bundle is that they have a handful of Y2K pieces that are a little tacky and isn't necessarily other people's cup of tea, but I love them. So we have this pink sheer leopard cami that's only $8.50. Come on. Ooh, yeah, this one I really liked. It's a Y2K sparkly dress for $6.80, and it has like that asymmetrical strap detail and then a pointed hem, which yes, I absolutely love that. Now let's take a look at their style bundle listing, and it is only $35 and shipping was $10.90. So a total of 45 bucks. And it looks like with this bundle, we're getting a complete custom outfit styled by them. And then you choose an aesthetic you want, you give a list of likes and dislikes. But it does say that the bundle should include a top and some type of outerwear piece, bottoms, a bag, a jewelry item, and a surprise mystery piece matching your aesthetic. I pretty much sent over all of my measurements as far as like the aesthetic or style. I said 90s, Y2K, mall goth. I've kind of been into a very like alternative look. I think it's been really awesome. And then I put honestly open to anything to the decade of like 90s and Y2K. But I've got the package right here. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you guys should hit me up. I am at Eggie Girl there, but I put a poll asking which mystery bundle you guys wanted to see me unbox first, and the blue one totally won. Okay, but let's talk about packaging, because obviously it's super cute. It's just a colored poly mailer, and then it has a label here on the front. I can already feel through it, and I know for sure this little piece right here is definitely a bag, and then the rest is a clothes. So let's get this opened up. I've literally been waiting for so long. Okay, we're gonna have to do the bag first, just because it's right there. And ooh, just a black bag. Okay, let's do this. So again, I'm expecting 90s Y2K mall goth. So the first piece is this bag here. I think it's okay, but for those of you guys who know me, I don't really care much for handbags or jewelry, so I don't really ever have like strong opinions on jewelry or bags. But I mean, it's just black leather. It has this really cool circle hardware there with contrast stitching. But let's get to the more exciting part, which is all the clothes. So it's right over here, and then I think I felt an envelope. Should I read this now or later? It just says thank you on it. You know what? Let's just open it up. So it says, Danielle, thank you so much for purchasing one of my personalized style bundles. Here's a rundown of the look I've created for you. I wasn't quite sure what to call this look, but it gives me model off-duty Y2K vibes. For the main outfit, I found something amazing patterned flare pants, and I think you'll love a simple black satin top to pair with them. For outerwear, a simple jewel DKNY jean jacket, and your extra is an adorable little lace slip. For accessories is a cute necklace and a shoulder bag. I hope you love everything. Stillmatic Styles. Okay, but the poly mailer is totally empty. Let's move on to, let's see, what do we have here? Okay, we have this like little faded DKNY zip jacket, which is kind of cute. Okay, so the front does have like this jewel embellishment. It is pretty faded, it has that very like worn in, loved look. But it's totally black, so I mean, you can't go wrong with it. And it does have like rib knit construction running down the side here. And the pieces were put in this little baggie here, so let's open that up. So I do see a paisley print right at the very top. Ooh, I think those are the pants. Ooh, they are. Okay, these pants are so freaking awesome. They feel like a a suede with a paisley imprint all throughout. Super awesome. And then this is a brand for Joseph. Ooh, and it has a front zip closure. I think that's totally awesome. Definitely plays into that Y2K aesthetic that I was looking for. And it does come into a little V. So, ooh, super sexy. I love this for sure. And then, let's see, what do we have here? A little slip. I think she said this was my extra piece. I'm not gonna lie, but lately I have been into neutrals, surprisingly. So slowly I'm learning to love brown more and more, but I love this emerald color. I always feel like this color complements my skin during the fall. Yes, that's pretty cute. Let's see, does this have a brand? It's Free People. Oh, that's super awesome. I also like the princess seams here on the front. I feel like it's gonna be super flattering on the body, and then the back also has the same. Okay, and then the last piece that I have is that little camisole that she had mentioned. This looks a little big, but it's Style & Co, and it is a size 10, so I think that might fit me a little too oversized. And with camisoles that are bigger than my actual size, I have to always be careful with the cups, but it's 95% silk, so we got a little silk blend here. Super cute. I love that the straps have a little bit of beading to them. Oh my god, can you guys even see that? Ah, a little play on sequins and beads. I think that's super cute. But I think this is gonna pair so nicely with those pants. But are they adjustable? Sweet. I feel like the adjustable straps are gonna save it. The last piece we have is this necklace here. So it's just multi-beaded and it has a little heart pendant. Let me bring you in a little closer. There we go. Super cute. Kind of gives me like grandma vibes, but you know what? That's perfect because it kind of matches my little abuelita outfit that I got on today. And then it's also adjustable. I feel like this might fit more like a choker, so it does make it look a bit more youthful. But you guys, that's pretty much all the pieces, so let's look at this tried on. Okay guys, so here is look number 1. Okay, so from far away, I do feel like, you know, it's kind of cute. They definitely hit the nail on the Y2K model off-duty look. I feel like this is definitely something that Ruby Lynn might be wearing, but up close, when we're looking at each individual clothing item, there are some issues. That being that it's way too big on me. So I did send over my measurements and that I was a size small in pretty much everything. And the jacket is a medium. The camisole is a size 10, which I think again is like an ML. And the pants, I actually think are pretty awesome. I love the flare, I love the material of them, but they are labeled as my size on the tag, but with these like thrifted items, things get worn, things get big, and so the waist actually measures at like a 29-30, which is a little too big for my true size. So it does look kind of loose, a little frumpy around the crotch area when moving around, and it just doesn't look totally flattering, sadly. So really at the end of the day, this is one of those fits where throughout the day, I'm pulling up my pants, pulling up my top, you know, trying to pull at the shoulders just so that it could not slip off of my body. But yeah, right now, the look is just looking a little frumpy, a little sloppy and lazy. But if they were my true size, oh yeah, I think it would totally complete this vision of like Y2K model off duty. So let's move on to our second fit. Here's outfit number 2, and honestly, I love this. I feel like the slip, you can never go wrong with the slip. Who are we kidding? I think it's super cute. Even the colorway, the lace, oh yes, I love this one for sure. And this one is a size small. It has a higher neckline with just a little tiny V cut here. So yeah, I love this. Okay, you guys, that pretty much does it for all the outfits. So let's talk about my final thoughts. Okay, let's talk about my final thoughts. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. But personally, I don't think it's a bad box. I thought it was pretty good. The only thing, obviously, are the measurements because only one of the 4 pieces of clothing actually fit me. So that's kind of a bummer. Also, it's that I do mystery bundles, so I know how important measurements are. And so I sent over my bust, my hips, my waist, my height. I tried to send over everything, yet they gave me majority size medium when I did say small. So that's kind of disappointing, but I mean, I do like all the pieces individually. My favorite piece definitely has to be the slip. I just totally felt myself. I thought I looked really good in it. My least favorite, I think, has to be the handbag. But you know what? That's just me. I'm not really one to like accessories or handbags. I literally own like 3 other bags. So that kind of says something already. And then also considering that it was only 35 bucks with $10 shipping, that's actually not bad. If they would have nailed the sizing, I would have given it a really high rating, but I think today I'm gonna go with a 7 out of 10. And really just knocking off points for the measurements, because honestly, I'm only able to wear one of the pieces. Otherwise, again, I'd be like pulling up my pants, pulling up the canvas also. I don't have any nip slips. But if you wanna get a bundle for yourself, go hit them up on Depop. They are Stillmatic Styles right over there. And just clarify your sizes. And maybe just send them this video for reference, because honestly, if they nail the measurements, they are good to go. But as always, I post videos twice a week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!